The city of Logroño fades behind my stride. With every step forward, the world opens wide. Crossing the Ebro, a bridge of old stone. I'm walking the path, but I'm never alone. Through vineyards that whisper seasons gone by, fields painted golden under the blue sky. The songs of the pilgrims, the sound of the breeze. Each step is a prayer, my soul's release. From Logroño to Nájera, the road calls my name. Through laughter and struggle, through joy and through pain. Every sunrise a promise, each sunset a grace. On this ancient Camino, I find my true place. In the valley, the church bells ring clear, a melody of faith that I hold so dear. I pause in its shadow, my heart feels the weight of countless lives woven in the fabric of fate. Through Ventosa's calm, a village so small, the world feels infinite, yet I feel it all. A bench beneath the tree, a moment of rest. The road keeps on giving, I count myself blessed. From Logroño to Nájera, the road calls my name. Through laughter and struggle, through joy and through pain. Every sunrise a promise, each sunset a grace. On this ancient Camino, I find my true place. The heart of the Camino beats steady and strong. In every step taken, I know I belong. With strangers turned family, we share the same quest, each seeking the truth, their own holy rest. At last comes Nájera with cliffs that rise tall, and a river that flows with the dreams of us all. This town of red stone holds centuries near, a faith of resilience, of memories dear. From Logroño to Nájera, the road calls my name. Through laughter and struggle, through joy and through pain. Every sunrise a promise, each sunset a grace. On this ancient Camino, I find my true place. I'm just one of many, a thread in this weave, bound by the journey and what I believe.